Hello everyone and welcome back to Advent with Emilee. We are on day 18. So in day 18 we have this lip scrub. So obviously the same as day 12, I didn't want to do a tutorial with something as simple as a lip scrub. So I thought I'd do a bit more of a festive video. So I'm going to be doing my festive evening routine, showing you what I get up to, some skincare, all that kind of thing. So if you'd like to see how I remove my makeup, what I eat, that kind of thing, then make sure you carry on watching. And yeah, let me know what you're doing for Christmas Eve because I would love to know. The drilling is back. I don't know what they're drilling. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on with my Christmassy evening routine. So I like to start by making my room all cosy by adding my fairy lights. I have my Christmas tree lights on, and I also have these LED lights around my room that, you know, just have different colours, and I like to put them on red because it's quite Christmassy. I also put on a candle. Spiced white cocoa has been my absolute favourite at the moment. It literally smells just like white hot chocolate, which is amazing. So I will just sit in my bed and edit for a bit. So I like to make my hot chocolates on the stove. I like to use oat milk and the Cadbury hot chocolate, and I just mix it all together on the stove, and yeah, it's honestly one of my favourite things in the evening. Putting it all together and putting it in a nice Christmassy mug, and of course you can't forget the dairy-free whipped cream on top. Of course I've got to add some dairy-free whipped cream on top because what hot chocolate is complete without a bit of whipped cream, and then I will just sit and enjoy that. So for skincare, I first like to start by obviously peeling off my lashes, and then I remove my makeup with a makeup remover cloth. You just need water for with this. It's so much better for the environment, and I've been really enjoying it. I then use this Dove face bar, and I just lather that up and use this to wash my face. We'll then add a face mask. This has been my favourite at the moment. It's from the brand Alya Skin. It's a pink clay mask, and I will just leave this on for 15 minutes, maybe do a bit more editing, or just sit and enjoy my hot chocolate. It's honestly one of my favourite masks ever. You can get it on BeautyBigBang, and it's just a really good one. After I remove that, I used my Pixi Vitamin C Tonic just to tone my skin. It's really one of my favourite ranges. I love the Vitamin C range from Pixi. I like to use the Caviar Balm from that range. I just leave this on overnight and it makes my skin so soft, especially in this drier season. Every 2 to 3 nights I will use this Body Shop peel. It's honestly amazing. It really just takes off all the dead skin and makes your face feel like a baby, and I will roll my skin as well. I just like to relax, so tonight I was watching a thing on TV of Felix Schofield, and of course I watch it with my little pooch, and if I'm not doing that then I will just get a bowl of popcorn and sit upstairs with my cat, turn on my heated blanket and just edit some more or watch some Netflix. And yeah. I then will blow out my candles, turn off all my lights and just, you know, settle down. I may watch a bit more of a movie, but most of the time I'm just exhausted, so I go to sleep. So that is the end of my routine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what you do in your evening routine. Now it's a bit more Christmassy, and yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.